Extinction Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There is no check or checkmate. Instead, the object of the game is to eliminate all of one particular kind of your opponent's pieces. You win if you capture your opponent's king, or their queen, or both of their rooks, or both of their bishops, or both of their knights, or all of their pawns. You are allowed to promote to a king. When you promote a pawn, that piece is treated as the new piece it is promoted to. So, if you have two kings, you can lose one of them without losing the game. You are not allowed to promote your final pawn, as you would immediately lose the game. Since there is no check and checkmate, you are allowed to castle while in check or through check. The first player to eliminate all of one particular type of their opponent's pieces wins.